Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. As we begin our exploration of the legendary South Beach, we're starting on Washington Avenue and making our way down 17th Street towards the civic heart of the area. Miami Beach City Hall. This particular stretch of the city offers a fascinating look at how the neighborhood balances its world-famous nightlife and tourism with the practical, everyday needs of its residents. Washington Avenue has long been the backbone of South Beach, a transit-heavy corridor where historic architecture meets modern commerce. It's a place where the neon signs of late-night clubs stand side by side with neighborhood grocery stores and small family-owned businesses that survived the city's many transformations. Turning onto 17th Street, the atmosphere shifts slightly. This is a wide, palm-lined thoroughfare that acts as a primary artery for those moving between the beach and the mainland via the Venetian Causeway. As we walk towards the municipal complex, you can see how the city has invested in making this area both functional and visually appealing. The landscaping is lush, providing a bit of tropical shade in the heat of the Florida sun, and the sidewalks are designed for the high volume of foot traffic that characterizes this part of town. Our destination is Miami Beach City Hall, a building that serves as more than just an administrative hub. It's a symbol of the city's commitment to its unique heritage and its future. Located within a district that features both Art Deco influences and contemporary design, the City Hall area is a testament to the growth of Miami Beach from a mangrove swamp into a world-class destination. This part of the walk highlights the organized side of South Beach, the planners, the local government, and the infrastructure that manages everything from the massive crowds of spring break to the ongoing challenges of sea level rising. Moving through this corridor, you get a sense of the real behind-the-scenes Miami Beach. While most visitors stay glued to the ocean front, walking 17th Street gives you a better perspective of the scale of the city on the density of its urban core. It's the perfect starting point for our journey, bridging the gap between the glitz of the entertainment district and the organized civic structures that keep this island city running smoothly every single day.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.